If you are planning to shift to a hostel this year, this is the only video you need to watch before packing your stuff because a lot of people make this mistake. They either overpack their stuff or they miss something very important that they actually need every single day. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purvi and I make lifestyle college related videos. And as you guys know that I recently shifted to a new hostel room. So today I'll be sharing with you guys a practical checklist that you actually need to follow while packing for your hostel. And I'm gonna give you guys a bonus tip in the end of this video, which is going to be super beneficial. This video has been categorized into various parts, and if possible, try to take notes of what things you should carry and what you should not carry with you. Category number one, which is very important, it is your documentation. Before coming to hostel, make sure you have both hard copy and soft copy of your original documents. The document should include your mark sheets, your basic Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport size photos. The second category is very underestimated one, which is your bedding. People often think that they will receive bedding from the hostel itself, which is true, but it's better to carry your own pillow and blanket to get that home like comfort in hostel also. Now your bedding can include a mattress, pillow covers, pillow, blanket, extra sheet. Category number 3, which is your clothing. In clothing, it does not include your clothes, but it includes your daily wear, your outgoing wear, your formal wear, your gym wear if you go to gym, whatever you wear on daily basis. Just make sure that you don't overpack your clothing stuff because in hostel there are chances that you might get a little storage for your overpacking stuff. Also make sure to carry some comfortable footwear with you, for example a shoe, a bathroom slipper, a daily wear slippers, a sandals, and whatever suits you best, but just make sure they are comfy enough. Category number 4 is very obvious, but people still forget to keep few things from this category. In your toiletry, it comes your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your soap, your body wash, your loofah, shampoo, conditioner, your hair oil. I'll actually pop up a whole list on the screen. Number 5th is the most important category, that is your hostel essentials. Now, these are the things that will make your hostel life a bit easier. It includes your extension board, power bank, study light, water bottle, cup, bucket, hanger, hanging clips, an extra rope to dry your clothes, a mirror, a dustbin, an extra organizer, a room freshener, and a cleaning broom. And also carry with yourself a mosquito repeller. Category number 6, which is your study essential, your stationery. Carry yourself a basic stationery, at least your register, pen, pencil, a pair of scissors, glue. Category number 7 is an emergency kit that you should at least keep with you. Maybe if you need or your roommate needs it, that is your first aid box, which includes all sort of tablets. It's like your fever, cough, cold, headache, cramps, etc. And also keep some vitamin tablets with you because in hostel your balanced diet is going to be. Category number 8 is about kitchen and snacking, which includes your tiffin box, a water bottle, an airtight container, some extra basic utensils like a plate, a bowl, a glass, and a spoon. If your hostel allows, carry an electric kettle with you, extra mug, coffee pouches, some healthy protein rich snacks, maybe some namkeen or some laddus. Now, here's a bonus tip that things you should not carry, which makes your packing overpacking. Too many shoes, too many clothes, fancy decors, too many bags, extra blankets, a large bottle of detergent. You don't need all these big giant stuff with you. You can always repurchase some stuff, some snacking items, or your basic toiletry items. So it's better to have the limited stock with you as of now when you're coming to the hostel. Later on you can purchase the item as per your needs. Also try to keep as many organizer as you can because you will face a lot of issues of storage. Also storage boxes make everything so organized. You can have such organizers from Amazon or Flipkart. They are super affordable, plus they look good in your room and make your life easy. That is it for this video. I hope you find this video a little helpful, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know your feedback, and if you guys have any other doubts or suggestions, anything regarding my video or your hostel life, anything, just drop in the comment section. I would love to reply. I'll see you guys in my next video. Little bye.